Hello guys, so welcome back to COSMASAIRDROP YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can loan your cryptocurrency up to 1000 USDT from this exchange right here, guys. So the name of this exchange is what we call the OKX. So if you do not have this exchange, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store, your App Store, and download and register into this exchange, guys. So we are going to be earning or borrowing BTC, Ethereum, OKB, Metric, XRP, or any cryptocurrency that you want to borrow. So I'm going to show you how you can go in to borrow this cryptocurrency without any charges, guys. So all you need to do is to actually click on grow right here. You're going to actually be on the page that looks like this. You can go ahead and click on the loan button right here. So once you click on the loan button right here, it is going to show you about flexible loan, what actually flexible loan is all about, and how you can earn in this flexible loan, how the payback is all about, and the charge rate. So as you can see, like I said, there is no charge that is being added into this flexible rate, but the price in change in markets actually affects your loan, guys. So if you like what I'm doing right here and you want to follow us up, all you need to do is to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to join us on our Telegram group for you to stay updated in any information that will be displaying right here, guys. So guys, so if you want to promote our channel, you can go ahead and like this video and drop a wonderful comment down in our comment section. So we're back to this exchange, guys. So I'm going to show you how you can borrow your USDT, your Ethereum, your USDC, or other cryptocurrency that you want to borrow. So all you need to do is to select the cryptocurrency that you want to borrow and get ahead with it. So if you actually want to borrow something like the USDT, all you need to do is to click on the USDT that you want to borrow. If you want to borrow other tokens such as the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, any amount that you want to borrow, you can be able to borrow it. So example, I want to borrow up to 1 Bitcoin, and for your information, I do not have any Bitcoin into this wallet. So all you need to do is to claim 1 Bitcoin, or to claim up to 10 Bitcoin if you want to borrow 10 Bitcoin. So if you actually want to borrow this 10 Bitcoin, you will have up to 10 Bitcoin worth of collateral for you to be able to replace it. So if I want to borrow up to 1 Bitcoin right here, which is at the normal price of $69,000, I have to have up to $69,000 here, or even more than that here. So in case if anything goes wrong, they can be able to retain their cryptocurrency that I actually borrow. So once you are done selecting the amount of Bitcoin that you want to actually borrow from here, once you're done selecting the amount of coin, or you can actually borrow any coin that you want, as you can see that all tokens are actually available right here. So all you need to do is, when you're done selecting it, make sure that you have the same amount of collateral that you want to actually borrow from here. So the advantage right here of borrowing is like, actually, when you have $100 in your normal exchange, so when you have $100 and you don't want to use that $100 that you have there for you to maybe trade with it or withdraw it or whatever, so all you need to do is to actually go ahead and borrow, which means that you are going to have an extra token right there. So if you have $100, you borrow $100, you're going to have $200 right in your token. So for example, if I actually borrowed this 67 USDT or 67 BTC, so for example, if I actually borrow this 1 BTC, which is up to $69,000, I'll be having an extra $1,000 into my account. So all you need to do is to actually fill in right here and click on borrow. So guys, this is actually how you can borrow money from cryptocurrency, how you can purchase any coin without even depositing any asset or withdrawing any assets into it, guys. So there is no additional charge in this. Like I said, the market value is always affected, because when you borrow a cryptocurrency that was at the price of 96 and the cryptocurrency maybe decreases at the price of maybe 40 or maybe 50, you are going to be paying 50, not just the 67 or the 96 that you borrowed, whatever. So all just know that the amount of cryptocurrency you borrowed was actually in calculation of 1. So I don't know if you actually understand it, but if you have any question about it, you can go ahead and ask me down in the comment section or in the Telegram group. I'll be explaining more about this, which means that you can actually have a good profit after borrowing, because due to the change in market, maybe the market decreases or increases, you can't actually maybe deposit the same amount that you withdrew. For example, what I mean is that now that Bitcoin is at the price of 69, you borrowed 69, which is 1 Bitcoin. If Bitcoin actually reduces to 50, you are going to be paying back 50, not 69 amount of BTC. So I hope you guys actually understand what I mean. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section, and if you have other things that you'd like me to help you with, make sure that you drop the question on the comment section, guys. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to join us in our Telegram group.